Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Team 8 of 10 Science 5. For the opening, we will introduce ourselves. Hello, my name is Sharma.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sandria Ibra Ramadhan. I'm from IPA 5.
My name is Syawal Ramdhani.
My name is Stella, Syafrina, Nuraeni, Cahya.
My name is Zahwa, Dini, Amelia.
A microwave is a kitchen appliance that uses microwave radiation to heat food and also cook food. The microwave was accidentally discovered by Percy Baron Spencer in Boston, America in 1946. At first, the microwave was named Ready Range and had the size of a refrigerator, which was later sold for $5,000. However, in 1965, Amana introduced the household microwave oven for the first time at a price of under $500. After that, from year to year, the microwave continued to grow and experience increasing change.
There are three types of microwave, namely ordinary microwave, real microwave, and conventional microwave. Although there are three types, each type of microwave has its own function and can be adjusted according to the needs of the user. The microwave consists of three different main components, namely the magnetron, waveguide, and microwave stirrer.
The first component is a magnetron. The magnetron is the core part of the microwave and will convert electrical energy into microwave radiation. On the inside of the magnetron, electrons are emitted from a central terminal called the cathode. The positive pole called a node surrounds the cathode, attracting electrons.
The next component is the waveguide. A waveguide is a component designed to direct wave. For each type of wave, the waveguide used is not the same. A microwave waveguide is made of conducting material.
The last component is a microwave stirrer. Microwave stirrer is a propeller-like component used to spread microwaves in a microwave oven. This component is usually combined with a disc that rotates on the food tray. The combination of the propeller and rotating plate makes the food cook more evenly. Sorry if we made a mistake. Thank you for your attention.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.